Ciao, welcome. Today, quick review of my saddlebag, the Rockgeist Mr. Fusion. If you're new here, my name is Davide Travelli. I've been cycling around the world since 2015, and on this channel I regularly publish travel vlogs, some reviews, some tutorials about bike traveling, camping and the outdoors. Alright, let's get into it. I know that some people are gonna say you already reviewed this product. Kinda, it was a different product. This is the Rockgeist Mr. Fusion. I reviewed the Porcelain Rocket Mr. Fusion version 1. Then Porcelain Rocket designed the version, updated the design, and I still was using mine. They sold the production and the design to Rockgeist, so Porcelain Rocket ceased to exist as a bikepacking company. And why did I change it? Because I had a problem when I left Italy after the pandemic, that I made a little mistake, and my mistake brought me to break the mini rack of this saddlebag system. Then it was welded in the Czech Republic, and I used it till I did the Trans-Nevada in Spain. And then I fell and I broke it again, so I reached out to the owner of Porcelain Rocket and I asked if he could send me the drawings to get the rails done, or if he could send me a new set of rails. And he said, there is nobody that uses my gear as much as you, so I'm gonna send you a free one. And I thought he would send me a Porcelain branded product, but instead he sent me a Rockgeist product. So I didn't receive this product from Rockgeist, but I also didn't pay for this product, but I still believe it's the best saddle on the market. It's not cheap, but it's great, especially if you travel long term, if you're long term on the road. What I love about this system is how easy it is to use. So I'm holding the camera with one hand, so I only have one hand free, and this is how you unload the bike. I'll open it a little bit here because now the bike is a bit unstable, but there you have it. If you have two hands and the bike is against a wall or a tree, you can open it with 1 second. And this is the dry bag. This saddlebag is perfectly stable. It doesn't wobble, nor left nor right, because it has this mini rack system. So there is this clamp, and then as you can see, the mini rack system. So it's super stable. Let's go on this side and I can show you. There is this Velcro here, and then the two mount points on the saddle with these straps. The only difference between the new Mr. Fusion and the old is in the mini rack. The old mini rack was straight, and this one has this bend. The bend is perfect to accommodate the dry bag because it has a bend as well, and it makes the dry bag sit on a more up straight position. I'm now in Algeria, and I forgot to mention something. While this rail system makes this product great because it doesn't let the saddle wobble while you cycle, and with this opening, with this buckle, you can open and close with one hand and load and unload the saddlebag basically in 1 second. It can become also a weakness because if the bike fell for some reason, or if you have an accident, you can not so easily break it, but it's a point of failure. What I did to mitigate this risk of failure, I didn't tight this clamp too much. So basically, see, I can move it with a little bit of force. I can move it, but if I put the saddle, it's tight enough that it doesn't wobble. But if the bike was to fall, with a bit of force, you can instead of breaking, it just bends one way or the other. The second difference is in the material of the dry bag itself. They changed the material they use. I was a bit skeptical when I received it, but it is much better than the other material. The other material seemed a little bit more flexible, and I thought this one was a little bit too rigid. But in truthness is more than 1 year that I use it now, and it's still perfect. The old one, with time, it would wear out a little bit, and you might get like a few holes here and there, easily to patch with some Gorilla Tape. This is basically as good as new. It's a little dirty, but if you want to keep the gear clean, you should never leave your house. It comes with this dry bag. You can choose between 15 liters and 12 liters, depending on the size of your bike and your frame. This one is a 12-liter one, and to give you an idea, I will show you exactly what I have inside. Here on the first part, I keep my tent. This is the inner tent of my hubba. In this pouch I have my stakes. Then I have the fly sheet of my tent. And then I have my rain gear. So these are the shoe covers. In this dry bag I have the hard shell jacket and the hard shell pants. And then those are hard shell mitts. And then I have also a pair of gloves that I never use in neoprene that I will have to toss away. That's it. You can store lots of things in your Mr. Fusion saddlebag. For me, the most important things about this product is that it's waterproof, completely waterproof, and also I can change the saddlebag in the field. If I want, I can put something similar from a different brand. And the fact that the Mr. Fusion has the rail system, so the saddlebag doesn't move side to side, up and down. It's stable, it's firm, and it makes me happy. I hope you find this video useful, and I'll see you the next time. Ciao!